Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make better purchasing decisions without losing your mind. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a face-off between two heavyweights, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS and the Anycubic Kobra 2. Grab your popcorn because things are about to get layer-tastic. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes or breaks any deal: price. On the left, we have the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, coming in at a cool $375. And on the right, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, priced at just $239. So if you're looking to save some cash, Kobra 2 Neo is your budget-friendly buddy. But remember, folks, sometimes you get what you pay for. According to reviewers, the Kobra 2 Neo is a great entry-level printer for its price, but some users have experienced issues with durability. On the other hand, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is praised for its high-quality prints, although it comes at a higher cost. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty: resolution and speed. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS boasts the highest resolution on the market, with prints so detailed they could make Michelangelo weep. We're talking 22 micrometers, folks. Reviewers love its capability to produce high-quality and detailed prints, making it ideal for models requiring small details. Meanwhile, the Kobra 2 Neo is all about speed, claiming to print models 65% faster than its competitors. It's like comparing a precision scalpel to a jackhammer. While the Kobra 2 Neo may not match the Phrozen in detail, its speed is a huge plus for those who need quicker prints. Next, let's talk surface quality versus cooling systems. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS promises smooth surfaces with up to 50% fewer layer lines. It's like the Brad Pitt of 3D printers, flawless from every angle. Reviewers have noted that it produces impressively smooth surfaces, though it requires a well-ventilated space due to safety concerns. On the flip side, the Kobra 2 Neo's upgraded extrusion and cooling system is like having an AC unit strapped to your printer. It's got a 7,000 revolutions per minute fan to keep things chill and reduce print resonance. Reviewers appreciate its cooling system, which helps maintain the quality of prints, especially during longer print jobs. Alright, let's see how easy these bad boys are to use. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS claims to be suitable for everyone, even your tech-illiterate uncle who still can't set the time on his microwave. It's simple and easy to operate, making it a great entry-level printer for beginners. Reviewers have found it to be user-friendly, but recommend ensuring proper ventilation. The Kobra 2 Neo, with its LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling, also caters to novices. It practically holds your hand through the printing process, which is perfect if you're prone to printer-induced tantrums. Reviewers especially love its auto-leveling feature and ease of assembly. And finally, customer support. The Kobra 2 Neo comes with a 1-year after-service warranty, with extra support for the printhead and heated bed. It's like having a tech support hotline that actually picks up the phone, a rare and magical thing. However, some reviewers have experienced delays in customer service responses. Phrozen, on the other hand, didn't make a big fuss about their customer service. But hey, maybe they're just confident you won't need it. Some users have had mixed experiences with Phrozen's customer service, particularly regarding replacement parts and shipping issues. Overall, both the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo have received positive reviews for their respective strengths. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is highly praised for its high-resolution prints and surface quality, making it a top choice for detailed models, though it requires a well-ventilated space and has mixed reviews on customer service. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is celebrated for its speed, ease of use, and budget-friendly price, though some users have encountered durability issues and slower customer service responses. So there you have it, folks. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, two fantastic 3D printers, each with their own quirks and features. If you're all about precision and don't mind splurging a bit, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and need speed, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is your new best friend. Remember, the best printer is the one that suits your needs and doesn't make you want to throw it out the window. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments which printer you'd pick. Until next time, keep printing smart and buying smarter. Peace. Product links are in the description.